Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with close-up coins. A quick example on the screen now. If you are new to the channel, you are going to see a small segment of a UK circulated coin, and all you need to do is try and figure out what that coin is. Now we're going to go through them all together, and then they will circulate a few times without me probably annoying you in the background. That way you really can concentrate and you're not really shouting at me for probably making a few of them difficult. Again, all of these coins, apart from one, are in UK circulation. Unfortunately, I'm not going to tell you which one that is. That is going to be the difficult thing about this one. However, 9 of these coins are in UK circulation, which means you can find them every single day in your change, and they were meant for circulation. There's no error coins as well to try and throw you, to try and make it more difficult. A little bit like this though, I might just like a little bit of jam on my toast in the morning. However, I am just trying to make it a little bit fun and exciting, maybe not showing the full coin, just showing the edges, and maybe it will make it that little bit more fun. Definitely do get your coin albums out though, have a little look online if you are a little bit stumped. Some of them again, a little bit more difficult than others. There are 3 different coin values in here, 50p, 10p's and also a £2 coin, or a couple of £2 coins as well. Hopefully you will be able to get them all correct, and again, hopefully you have had a little bit of fun with this one. I really do want to play as many games on the channel as possible next month. It is Christmas. I really do want to have a lot of fun on the channel. That really is what it is all about, bringing everyone together, especially over these festive times. So any game suggestions, please do drop them in the comments section below. If I can figure out what your game is, your idea, then we'll definitely get playing some other games on the channel in this upcoming month. I honestly can't believe that we have hit December the 1st already. How fast has this year gone? And again, it definitely is getting closer to that Christmas tree time. I'm sure a few of you have probably got your Christmas trees up already. I'll let you off because it's Christmas, but there's definitely time now to start getting those Christmas trees up. So best of luck. Get those 10 answers in the comment section below. I'll leave this open for a week, and then we'll go through all of the answers together. Best of luck, and as always guys, thanks for watching.